To replace the battery, first we need to remove the negative terminal. We'll use 10mm socket. Then we'll need to remove the positive terminal. We'll use the same 10mm socket. When you guys do it, make sure that you don't touch both terminals at the same time with anything metallic, with metallic object. Next we will remove this bracket. There is a bolt that holds it right here. Now you carefully lift it up, and there is a hook on the other end right here which you have to remove, and the bracket comes out. Now I will pull the battery out. I'll show you guys the type of this battery. The group is 51R, cold cranking amps are 450, reserve capacity is 70 minutes. The battery goes back in. Now we'll install the bracket. It gets attached approximately right here. And the bolt that secures the bracket. Make sure that the battery doesn't move. Next we will connect the positive terminal. And the last one will be the negative.